My name is Carlo Moses Obu. There is something I want to speak on. And it is about a young man that called himself Eda Chimezi Abichi Gozie Nnabuko, who came to television station and announced publicly urging Nigerian government to sentence Mazen Nnamdi Kanu so that there could be peace in Igbo land, or in Ala-Igbo, as we call, or in Biafranland generally, just because of Olo's politics, as in because of their mere selfish politicking in Olo. This is why he have come this far on the television station and openly told Nigerian government to sentence Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And he even placed it that this is the prayer of every Igbo man to kill Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, let them hang him, execute him, so that peace will be in Ala-Igbo. Number one thing I want to say is this thing have triggered a lot of tension on social media. Igbo people, especially Igbo content creators, many of them have put in mouth on this, trying to show their sympathy and trying to express the true state of things, to make or to debunk the fact that that is the thing that will make Igbo people to be happy, or that is the prayer of Igbo people now. But they have shown him and shown the Nigerian government through some social media that the reverse is the case, that anything that happened to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has happened to the entire Igbo race. I like that, but there is where I am going. Where am I going? There is this trending video that is ongoing now, where a young Biafran in abroad also came out publicly to place 500,000 naira. That anybody who actually can give us a location where this young man, who have said that Nigerian government should just kill Mazen Nnamdi Kanu if they want peace in Ala-Igbo, that anybody who showed his residential address or his business address, or just tell us where he lives, how we can locate him, that he has placed 500,000 naira, that they will first of all kill him before Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Now, before I say what I want to say, I want to claim that, or not a claim, I want to actually say that I don't have enough. But I want to openly support that guy, that young man, with 200,000 naira. If you give the person 500,000, me, I am going to give 200,000 to support him. That means 700,000 naira has been placed on anybody who will do that. But this is what I want to say. You see, it went back to what I was telling us before, that some people may not understand what I mean. There were some time that people come to my inbox and begin to ask me to make a video concerning all this Yam Baba, all this Ijele, Victor Uruago, Joe Ibokwe, and all this Madam Imiezi that are trying to gaslight the issues of Biafra, make mockery of it, make jest of it here and there, or paint Mazen Nnamdi Kanu black, that he is the one that is causing insecurity in Ala-Igbo and the Simeon Ekpa, rather than the other way around. When all of us know the truth, we know exactly how this thing started. Nobody is a child, nobody is a kid. But because Hope Uzodimma and Asarido Kubo and the Soludo and some of them that are governor want people, or some of us who are idiots, to be talking the way we are talking now, forgetting the truth and begin to allege it that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is the essence of insecurity in Ala-Igbo. That is exactly why they brought unknown gunmen then. But there is something I want to tell us, I want to make open. This thing that this young man have said bounce back to what I told us in that video when I was talking about what will befall Yam Baba, Ijele, Victor Uruago, Joe Ibokwe, Madam Imiezi, and not the rest of them, even down to some of our governors. What did I say then? I told us that very soon, apart from the fact that I first of all said that the Biafran war will be fought again in Ala-Igbo. And it will be Igbos versus Igbos who didn't bring or who didn't agree to our own ideology of let us come home and own our government called the Biafranland, the New Jerusalem. But I said, people like Victor Uruago, Joe Ibokwe, Ijele, Yambaba, Madam Imiezi, that very, very soon, not too long, that they will be slaughtered on the street. Why did I say so? I knew that this thing is where it is going to and where it must get to really let Nigerian government and some of our people who are in Igbo land as politicians to understand that we are no longer joking so far as issues of Biafra is concerned, that it has gotten to a point of do or die affair. Nobody will continue to make jest of us or thwart our brains. I know very, very well that in as much as Ijele, people like Asaridokubo have been mentioning how they are going to slaughter Igbos, how they are going. Ijele said he will kill Mazen Nnamdi Kanu even if Nigerian government leaves him. Asaridokubo said he will wipe out the entire Igbo nation. He didn't say it once, not twice, not thrice. So I have known that things must happen in as much as something is not done to caution these people or to hold them accountable for such open statement on a broad daylight. I knew that more people will begin to arise and allege to do that to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and to the entire Igbo. And I knew that it will come to a point that where some people will no longer take it, especially the youths, not even the ESN or one thing or the other, that they will begin to go to these people personally and begin to kill them and slaughter them. See, let me tell you, the issues of Biafra and also Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will come to a point, even if you are in Lagos State, probably Alaba International and Trade Fair or Ala-Igbo or one market or the other in Igbo land or in Abuja, that when you speak evil of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu or talk evil of Biafra or talk down on the agitation and freedom of Biafra, young men there, your own brothers who are speaking Igbo with you, will kill you there as if you stole in the market. As in the Tigbogi Konye Zunohi, Nimahia, is coming to that point. It is also coming to that point where there will be a day that young men will walk line by line inside market and through offices and ask you to pen down, did you believe in Biafra or not? As in, it's coming to that point. The problem we have is that we will see things now and we will tell you what is happening tomorrow and what must happen tomorrow. That is the only problem we have as men of God or as prophets. Not those people in the pulpit that are prophets. Prophets of God, prophetic office, national prophets are different from these people. In fact, those people, majority of them are all called grandmasters. We are the people who will tell you the truth. The way we saw it, the way we picked the revelation. Thank you.